Hi, in this video I will show how to convert Excel formula to values. For some conversion app, when we converting data from Excel, if Excel contains formula, instead of data we will have formulas in our converted files. For example, if I want to convert Excel into XML and so on. So in order to prevent this, I need first to convert all formulas into Excel file into actual values. If I want to keep original file with the formulas, I can create copy from original file with the formula, and then on that copy I will change formulas into values and use this fixed Excel with values into converting apps. So all my data will be converted as values, not as formula. In order to do this, I have a demo file here. It's a simple Excel file which contains like months, revenue, expense, and here is a formula for net income. Now, in order to convert this file, let's imagine that this is a safe copy. I can convert into values, and I have an original file saved, so I'm not going to destroy all formulas and everything in this file. So to do that, I will select entire thing and do right click, then copy, and do right click again and go to paste special, and here is a special paste, and I will select paste values. So I can do values and number formatting, values and source formatting. I'll do just values and click on it, and you can see my file that net income, that was a formula, now is a value. And now I can save file and use it for converting apps, and everything will be converted properly. That's it. If you have any questions about Excel or converting Excel formulas into values, please let me know. And if you want to know about new apps being developed and stay in touch, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you.